Alright, so now that we've added our materials to our objects, we should map them. To show you what I mean, I'll open up an interactive view. So as you can see, the texture on the block here is quite large. So if you want to make the material smaller, we'll go into here, which is texture mapping, which is type. We want to switch it to box. And now you can see on our object here, the material has gone a lot smaller and start to repeat itself. So you want to go to XYZ size here and click lock. And we can increase the size of the material. So at the moment it's at 2, so let's try 1000. So it looks a bit too big, so we'll try 100. Maybe 500. This all depends on the scale of your model as well, so you just have to play around with it. But here we go, about 10 looks good. There you go. As you can see, the material has gone smaller and it suits the object's size now. Maybe we can just adjust it to 15. Choose play around with those settings until we get the material at the right size. You can also change the position and rotation of the material. Say if you want your floorboards to be facing the other way. So under here you can change it to 90. You can see the direction of the material has changed. You set it onto angle at 45. As you can see, the texture of the wood has changed direction. But we'll just keep that at 0 for now. And we can apply the same mapping process to these objects. Sometimes it helps to change it to box. And sometimes you can change it without looking if you know approximately the size the material will be. So this one we're going to set it to 10. Glass, you don't usually need to set any kind of surface mapping, however, if you want to, you can add it to it. And the same with the car paint. I generally use box mapping the most as it comes out the best. There's no need to go over these other ones at the moment. So I'll set this to 15. That's how I'll see what it looks like. So you can see the metal flakes on the car got smaller because we set the material mapping to it. Now on some metal objects you can't notice, however it helps to do it sometimes. So that's how you map materials to objects.